New op pack in the air, guess what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas guess. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing. Everybody with this gang.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If any of you guys are new here and you're interested in beauty, fashion, or lifestyle related content, I suggest you to hit that subscribe button because you're going to love it here. Love it here. Love it here. All right, let me stop. As you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a reorganization slash like redecorating my room. Some of the stickers right there, as you guys can see, they're already up there, so I'm not gonna be able to really like change it or anything. I'm going to leave those stickers there. I'm going to try to just switch everything up around, like my desk, my dresser, my bed, and maybe I have some other stickers I think that I might want to put up to like rearrange the one back there. Whatever, you guys are gonna see. I'm going to give you guys a little glimpse of what my room is looking like now, and then I'll give you guys the rundown of how it looks later. Well, not the rundown, but I'm basically going to show you guys how it looks when it's done after I rearrange it. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because you're going to love it here. And I'll be right back. So guys, this is what my room is looking like right now. It's a little cleaned up already. It's not really much going on. There's usually a whole bunch of more things everywhere. So this is what's going on. I think I might want to move that to a different wall. I want to take that sticker down. That pink sign might move. This is definitely going to be moved. This is going to be wherever I decide to put my black desk. That might stay right there. I don't know yet. That sticker is going to stay right there. That sticker is going to stay right there. That little pink one might move. My degree definitely is going to be wherever I decide to put the desk, along with the calendar. I might take those lights down off of the window. I'm not feeling them anymore. Maybe I'll put them somewhere else, or maybe I'll find a different way to make it look nicer around the window. Not too sure. Going to leave the moon phases there. That's a whole vibe. I love that whole idea. I'm never going to move that. The dresser, don't know where I'm going to put that yet. I guess when I start the video, you guys will just, see. My little desk, I don't know where I want to put that yet either, but wherever that goes, it's going to look nice because it'll have that above it and it'll have the calendar near it, whatever that's going to go. The whole vibe of my desk is going to look really cute. And then my bed, I think I might want to move it to this wall. Not too sure. Then that mirror, not sure if I want to move the mirror. Don't know if I want to remove that from the little, light switch thingy. That is pretty much gonna go away. I have the broom there because I haven't swept yet. And that's pretty much how my room looks like right now. And this mirror, I need a new mirror. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get the new mirror, so I'm just going to keep that one until I get my new one. And yeah, be right back, guys. Hey guys, so last night my phone wound up dying. I was having storage issues, so I was trying to figure out how can I get the video for you guys so that you guys can see the final look. I kind of want to do more to it, so this is like a part 1 video. I plan to change my room around completely. I put the sticker there. I changed the bags from that wall and I put them here because often I forget to like choose my bags because they're behind the door, so I forget to like choose different bags and I'll be wearing the same ones. But I have all these bags, so I'm trying to figure out a way to have it where it's visible to the eye so I can switch out my bags often. This is basically it. I left the mirror there, I left that there. I put the bean bag here instead, but I plan to get rid of that because I'm gonna get a different chair for my room. I left the stickers there. Over here I put up that one because remember that one was over there where that was, but I switched it out. I put the dresser right here. Oh, excuse the drawer being open. Window. I put my desk right there, and then I decided to put that mirror there and put the Live Your Dreams here instead. And this is basically how it looks right now. I plan to change it up because I want to decorate my room a different way, but this is how I reorganized it. My desk is a whole vibe. My bed is real cute. I changed my purses. The mirror looks real cute. Everything looks real cute. So that's my room reorganization. And I just want to say, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this video, or let me know you guys' ideas, because I don't have many. I'm kind of running out of ideas. So I would like if you guys give me one of yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.